Assalamu alaikum. So in the last class I have told you about the things that happened in past and how the cities flourished on the banks of different rivers. And today we will be studying about the importance to study past. Pastine kurichu endinana nammal ariyunnathu allengi what is the importance to know about the past in a human life. So first of all, it is to know about the culture and economic life. So we know that the lifestyle of a person changes according to the change in time. So what we have experiencing now, it might not be the same that people have experienced years before, right? ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് പോലെ ആയിരുന്നു കാണത്തില്ല വർഷങ്ങൾക്ക് മുമ്പ് എന്ത് എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവും. So in order to understand about the economic lifestyle and the culture that the people followed in the past, we should know about we should study the past. And second one is to find out about eating, the clothing and housing pattern. So we have developed our method of cooking, and we have developed our clothing styles, like we have western styles, traditional styles and all those things. So what happened in the past, like how they managed to make clothes, and what was their housing pattern or the architecture or that skill of the people that lived in the past. So these are these type of things if we want to understand, then we have to study the past to gather information about the lives of hunters, farmers, merchants, etc. So in the previous class we started this chapter with a term that is skilled gatherers. In that I have told you these people used to collect food, and they were like nomads, and after that they started to settle somewhere. And these people that they the skilled gatherers, they know completely, or they have complete knowledge about their surroundings. So in order to gather information or to know about the lifestyle of those people who are hunters, farmers, merchants means endana those who are engaged in trades. So in order to know about the lifestyle of these people, or to get information about the lifestyle of hunters, farmers and merchants, we have to study past. Lives of children, songs and games. So we have wide variety of games nowadays, but are we sure like these are the games that was followed by our ancestors? We don't know. So if we want to know about the games, or how the children were, or what are the songs they sang when they used to play games, these type of things we can get only after studying about our past. So these are the importance to study past. So what are the importance to study past? First one is to know about the culture and economic life. Second one, to find out eating, clothing and housing pattern. Third one is to gather information about the lives of hunters, farmers, merchants, etc. and to get a knowledge about the lives of children, songs and games. So these are the points that you have to study, and which is very important. Why? Because there is a need for everybody to know about the past. So how we are living today, it might not be the same like we are living the same before also. We might be living in a different culture, and everything varies according to the change in time. So these are the points, and it is very important to know about the past, as we want to know what is the culture that they followed, and what is the economic lifestyle that they followed, and also we want to know that the food or the edible things that they used to eat, and what was their clothing style and the architectural skills of the people lived in past. Okay, and next, now we will study about the occupation of people lived in the banks of river Narmada. So I have told you like cities flourished on the banks of river Indus, Narmada, etc. Right? So what are the occupations that they found for their livelihood? So first of all, those people who lived in the banks of river Narmada were skilled gatherers. So Those people who lived on the banks of river Narmada were skilled gatherers, and we can know like these skilled gatherers had a talent. What was the talent? They know about the resources and wealth of that area. So they were aware of the resources and wealth of the area. Of the area means of that particular area where they are living. And the next one is they collected roots, fruits and other forest products for their food from their surrounding forest. So what another one is, I told you like these people or means the skilled gatherers, they are like nomads, means they won't settle somewhere. They used to travel from one place to another. It means like they used to roam around the forest. So as they roamed around the forest, these people collected fruits, roots and also found some resources and useful forest products. So what are the occupation of people who lived in the banks of Narmada, or what was the occupation of people who lived in the banks of river Narmada? That is what we are studying. So these people, what we want to understand is, these people were mainly skilled gatherers, and I have told you about this about the features of skilled gatherers in the previous class. I have told you like these people will roam around the forest and they will be having a complete knowledge about their surroundings. So where they are living or where that particular area where they are living, they will be well known to that area. Otherwise they know each and everything about that particular area or that entire forest. So first of all, the people who lived in the banks of river Narmada were skilled gatherers, and they were aware of the resources and the wealth of the area. So they have complete knowledge about the wealth and the resources that they can find in that particular area or the forest. And the third one is, they collected fruits, roots and also found some resources and useful forest products. In your previous chapters, you have in your 5th standard, you have studied about the uses of forest. Forest provide us many things that is very much needful for us. So when these skilled gatherers are roaming the forest, they will collect fruits and roots. Why they will collect fruits and roots? For them to have, and also they will find some resources. So each and every forest will be having its own unique resources. So when they will be traveling or when they will be roaming around the forest, they will find these resources, and also they will collect all the forest products which is useful to them. So that is the occupation of people who lived in the banks of river Narmada. So we can't say it is the complete as an occupation. We can say it as a features also. Okay. So first of all, they were skilled gatherers. Skilled gatherers means people who roam around the forest for their livelihood or to collect things that is needed for their livelihood. And the second one is, they were aware of the resource and wealth of the area. So they have the complete knowledge about the area that they are living. And the third one is, collected fruits, roots and also found some resources and useful forest products. So in today's class, I have told you about only 2 topics, that is the importance to study past. Why we want to know about the past? First of all, you have to understand like as the time changes, people, lifestyle, economic style, cultural style, traditions, everything will change. So if we want to know about how the people lived, what were the customs they followed, what were their traditions, what were their clothing style, architectural skills, we want to know about the past. So that is the importance to know about or study the past. And the second one was the occupation of people who lived in the banks of river Narmada. So that's it for today. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.